Welcome to Strum Rock School. My name's Dan Macmillan and I will be your guitar instructor. I'm going to show you how to tune your acoustic guitar. So you're probably brand new and we're going to break it down step by step. So if you're playing acoustic, your headstock should look something like this. Let's just go over the names of the strings before we actually tune it. So the sixth string is E, and then A, D, G, B, and E. So let's get started. Start with the sixth string, E, and I'm a little flat. So I have to tune up. And I want it green. That's dead center. So let's go to the A string or the fifth string. Fourth string, D. I'm a little flat. So I have to tune up. G is the third string. Second string, B string. And the high E, also known as the first string. It's just that easy. Let's get to your next lesson. One more thing, if you haven't downloaded the Teacher Zone student app, then go ahead to the Google or the Apple store and download it now so you can log in and have a teacher in your pocket.